Kimmy Russ Adventures back on the road today. Been off the bikes for 4 days, haven't we, babe?
We have.
You got to do what you got to do. You got to visit the kids, though, don't you, eh?
Yep.
Look at this. No burger. It is Macca's, but it's a ham, cheese, and tomato toasty. So we're living up healthy because we've been with the kids for the last 2 days, and all they wanted to do was fucking takeaway and shit. I mean, go figure, eh? Got to keep this body slim, terrific. But anyway, we'll catch you on the road. We're heading up north a bit further, aren't we? Probably Port Maquarie or somewhere.
Yep.
We'll catch you up there. See you guys.
Bye.
Okay. So where are we, bud?
Hexham or something.
Hexham? Hexham Macca's, is it?
Come up on.
And we're leaving Newcastle, aren't we? To go to where? Port Maquarie is the place we're going today. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, curry.
There's nothing coming.
Yeah, the car's coming.
It's a dead
The ute.
road.
No, the ute behind you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They were perp, not me.
Were they?
Yeah.
What worker wouldn't be perving on you, hey?
Right. Fucking tradies.
A man needs to get feed now and again.
He got more than a feed.
He got his dessert with you as well. That's the Hunter River, guys. Here in Newcastle, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, guys, we've left Newcastle. Kimmy Russ Adventures is back on the road again. Feels great, don't it, babe?
It does.
Beautiful day, probably 23, 24 at the moment, I would think. What do you reckon, 23?
Yeah.
Yeah, near enough.
Yeah.
Feels nice. We're in our vests for the first time today.
I might just come up and show them.
Will ya?
I will.
Oh, I don't think the Harley would get so strong. Oh, wait a minute, I'll slow down for you. Riding for the disabled, you see? So that's what I'm doing. There she is. On the fat boy. Fat gal on the fat boy. My little sweetie there, pulled back in behind me because she knows she's a follower, not a leader. But anyway, we're off to Port Maquarie today, aren't we?
We are.
It's from Port Maquarie. We don't know where we're going after that, do we?
No idea.
Not yet. Well, I suppose we'll sit down, we'll look at the weather tonight and we'll decide, won't we?
We will.
I reckon Walker Pass beckons.
Yeah.
Whether or not we go across it or not, who knows?
You know, we decide one thing and then after having a few drinks, it totally changes.
Yeah, fuck it off, it does. Absolutely beautiful, eh? Look at that. Fuck only knows what river it is, but it's beautiful, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
I told Kim one time to watch passing these big rigs because a tyre could blow out and take you off the bike. Ever since then, she's always been in a hurry.
Speed up a bit and get past their wheels. Just in case they blow out. What we're going in to see, here we go, motorcycle museum this way.
Turn right.
You just look for a motorcycle museum, sweetie.
N.A.
Here we go.
Y-A-C.
Yep, Nubiac. There you go, M-A, yeah, that's right. National Museum this way, babe.
Right,
So we found the National Motorcycle Museum at Newcastle, New South Wales.
Here we are. Bikes parked up. Not for the night though, are they, babe?
No.
No, because we're at the motorcycle museum, aren't we?
Onward
So,
and upwards.
onwards and upwards. Kim might not want to come in here once he realises you've got to pay.
Yeah.
9 till 4. Last entry is at 3:30.
Motorcycles, toys.
I wonder if we're
I'll go
allowed
ask.
to film in here.
I'll go ask. It's like the way in Missionary.
Okay. Right. Look at this. We're in the National Motorcycle Museum here in Newcastle.
Yeah.
Newcastle in the babe. Here we go.
Oh, look at this drag bike.
Look at that. And there's old Yamaha. They're nice, aren't they? Those things up on the wall up there. Look at this, guys. Look at it all. It's a pretty big shed, this one. It's a National Motorcycle Museum. Fantastic. Look at all the BSAs, will you? Everywhere. Michael, we've found an adventure bike for Kim. Look at that. See? An adventure bike for Kim. Little Honda 80R.
Yeah.
It smells old here. Oh no, that's just Kim. That's just Kim. Little Hondas here. Rough Superior. Look at them. I'll have a look down here at all the toys. Look at them all. You want a model? You got it.
Hey, look back here.
Well, that model. Oh, I'm talking about a different model, babe. We've just been through the National Motorcycle Museum, haven't we, babe? New South Wales. What a great little place. It's very well worth going to, isn't it, babe, eh?
Yeah, it's worth $15 for sure.
It's worth $15. You could spend a couple of hours there. We haven't really got that long, have we?
No.
But anyway, that's Kimmy Rutt's Adventures, and we're hitting the road again because we're still on the way to Port Maquarie, aren't we?
We are.
Absolutely glorious views coming up to Port Maquarie, isn't it?
It's right, glorious.
Glorious. So this is all the roundabouts coming into Port Maquarie, isn't it, babe? And we have a plethora of them. A plethora.
Yeah. I remember.
Unreal, isn't it, how many roundabouts coming into Port Maquarie?
We'll count them, that's one.
That's one. Number two, babe.
Number two.
Number two. Whoopie-doo. This is number three. That was number three. Wait a minute, I better leave it on because number four's coming up. Here we go, number four. Anybody hasn't been to Port Maquarie, get your fucking asses up here and have a look at the place. Because it's a beautiful place. Get off that bloody lounge chair at home and make a fucking effort. Bring Natalie there, Michael Harris. Rightio, we're coming into the outskirts. Are you with me, babe?
I am. Unfortunately.
Oh, geez, that's getting a bit boring hearing that all the time, isn't it, guys, eh?
Once on this trip.
Yes.
I've said it more often, though.
This is the back streets of Port Maquarie here. Here comes another roundabout. This is another roundabout, guys. That's how many? Five. Oh, we'll go down to Main Street. This is number 6, babe. Dan Murphy there.
Main Street straight ahead.
Woo.
We're not going there at the moment.
No, we're going around here.
And there was a couple more roundabouts you've never seen.
No vacancy out. This is nice and central for us, isn't it?
Yep.
So we'll go in and we'll see if... Depends how much we trashed the room last year, I guess. I'll just park behind me, okay?
Yep.
Tell him your... No, I'm not telling your name.
You didn't tell my name last time, so we...
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll tell your name, eh?
Yeah, tell my name.
Tell your name. I'll see if they laugh at me, eh? Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it, eh? Oh, this is our little oasis.
Hey, idea.
What?
Book it in under our company name.
Our company name, Kimmy Rutt's Adventures.
Yeah.
Right, company name booking this time?
Yep.
I'll be back. Okay. What's it? Big drop.
Oh, yeah, I remember this.
Alright, wait a minute. Someone's got our car parked, no? Right, where are we going to park?
Right next to that one on the left. Or is there one in the corner there?
No, there's... Oh, yeah, we could get in there next to that trailer.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah? I'll go right in next to the trailer, okay?
Yep.
And you come in just to the side of me. I'll just go in here and you come in next to me.
Yep.
Just leave enough room for them to get in that door. Keep coming. Just go over a bit, straighten up in there. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. What? That'll do. Oh!
What'd you do?
Hit my head on that pipe.
Shit.
Is the camera okay?
Yeah. I didn't even realise it was there.
I've just missed the camera. Hit me head on that bloody. Hit me head on that pipe there. I forgot I was on an adventure bike and not a cruiser. G'day guys, Kimmy Rutt's Adventures here. We've hit Port Maquarie, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah, beautiful day. About 25 degrees out there at the moment. Yeah, absolutely glorious. Come up from Newcastle, didn't we?
We did.
250 k's. Is that not right?
That's about it.
Made a little stop along the way at the National Motorcycle Museum at Newcastle.
N.S.W.
Doesn't matter, there'll be videos to follow, so you'll see.
Yeah.
And what an absolutely glorious museum that is, eh? Absolutely fantastic.
How many bikes?
Over 800 bikes there. You've got memorabilia there everywhere, everything. They've got everything. If you're up that way, go to it. It's a must see. But anyway, we're going out and about, aren't we? Hey? What are you looking like that for?
I just don't know what you're going to
Trust me, darling, trust me. We've got a hotel room here. I'll show you around in a minute. But tomorrow, we don't know where we're going yet. We've got to have a look at the map, don't we?
We'll have to do that.
So far, it's been a bloody great holiday, hasn't it? Hey, what do you reckon? Harley's not playing up either. V-strom's going well too at the moment, so fingers crossed we'll be right, won't we?
Can't cross those ones.
Don't cross him one. I'll show you our views.
Beautiful.
Beautiful views. That's Kimmy there. I'll take you out here. This is our porch. Look at this. Look at that. See, I am not lying to you. It is a beautiful day. Don't worry about the construction work there. I'm sending Kim over there later to do a bit of work. A few dollars. There's a few workmen over there. You can grab that toy out of the back of her bag and go and earn a few dollars for me, I think. But anyway, I'll show you the room. There's our heads there. Look at this. That there is a fucking electrical nightmare. You wouldn't do that at home. But because we're away, if we burn the place down, who gives a fuck? As long as we get out. This is the little love nest right here.
That's not the love nest.
Well, actually, no. That's the shower, actually. That's the love nest there, isn't it, babe?
So we settled into our motel room, had a couple of ciders, then we're off around town to explore the sights.